This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the essentials so nothing blocks the first run. Install Python 3. 10 or newer, create and activate a virtualenv and allocate at least 8 GB of RAM. This avoids swap slowdowns. Once done, pip install Torch, Transformers, and the Zarchiver package. This puts required modules on your path. You should also verify GPU drivers if available. Next, create a project folder and an initial config file so the archiver has clear inputs to process. You now build the main pipeline and connect pieces so data flows reliably. Start by defining tokenizer, model checkpoint, and sensible batch sizes in your config. This determines throughput and memory use. Then implement a streaming reader and chunking logic to avoid OOM when files are large, and add a metadata extractor so output stays searchable. Once those are ready, wire preprocessing, model inference, and an output serializer that writes compressed archives in parallel for speed and consistency. You finish by running a complete end-to-end job to confirm everything works under realistic conditions. Execute a small dataset run, inspect archived content and metadata, and verify checksums for integrity. This catches serialization bugs early. Then enable robust logging and add retries for transient failures so the system recovers automatically. If something goes wrong, first reduce batch size, confirm available memory, and ensure tokenizer and model checkpoints match. These 3 checks resolve most failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.